Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samena. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Nathej at Ona. I am taking SS, Social Science. Today I am taking 7th Standard SS. The lesson number 3, Government. Our chapter was completed. Now we will start an exercise. Um, First question is choose the correct answer. Number 1, whose help is required to take decision and to do the work for the people for every nation. Every nations who will do the work for us. Okay. Options are first citizen union, second national leaders, C the government, and D is a magistrates. Answer is the government. Second question, who resolves economic and a social problem. हमारी social problem और economic की जो भी conditions है वो कौन पूरी करता है. Okay. Ladies union, the government, economist, prime minister. Answer is the government. The third one, who from the following is a part of the state government? And options are prime minister, governor, president, and chief justice. So answer is governor. Now main question 2, fill in the blanks. First one, blank frames laws and the executes them, the government. Second one, the government does public welfare works. Government किसके लिए काम करता है? Public welfare के लिए. Okay. 3, the government working at the state level is called. State level पे काम करने वाली government is calling state government. Fourth one, judicially penalized lawbreakers or punished them. Okay, penalized means they given the punishment of by the done or a jail. Okay, punishment, judiciary system. Fifth one, the dash house of legislative assembly is called legislative council, is the upper house. Sixth one, the lower house of legislative assembly is called legislative assembly. Okay, council and assembly. Seventh one, the Gujarat we have only legislative assembly. Now main question 3. It's a textually fill in, match the followings are there. First one, Gram Panchayat. Do not write B. Okay. You write only A part and directly you are writing answer, and the beside of the question you write the answer. Means a first one, a Gram Panchayat. The correct answer is provide straight light in villages. So you will Gram Panchayat write and make the arrow and directly write the answer. Second one, Taluka Panchayat. Taluka Panchayat have a fourth one, council road between two villages. They make the roads for connected of two villages. Okay. Third one, district panchayat. District panchayat, they appointing the teacher in the primary schools. State government. State government contributes to the local self-government institution. And the central government, state new trains between state two trains between two cities. Okay. Now main question 4. Here I was write question 3, but you want to write main question 4. The first one, answer in one or two sentence. Why does a nation require the government? Nation को government की ज़रूरत क्यों है? Why it is necessary? Why required? Okay. To take different decisions and to do work for a people. A nation require the government. Different decision want to do for the peoples. What is the better for the people or whatever not, the government, that's why they want to be required for doing the welfare of the peoples. Second one, which body of the government is known as a legislatively assembly? The answer, the body which frame law is known as a legislatively assembly. Third one, what is the function of judiciary? Okay, so the judiciary takes actions against offenders and the penalizes or punish them. What is a federal government? A federal government means two levels government. One is a state government and second was a central government. Okay, central, that is a government. Okay, central government. Fifth one, what is the government at the national level called? Answer, the government at the national level is called the central government or the union government. जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की नेशन की जो लेवल की जो गवर्नमेंट है उसे एक का ही दो नेम है, एक है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एंड अनदर इज अ यूनियन गवर्नमेंट. Sixth one, what is the government at the state level called? So the government at the state level called is state government. Okay, that means in Gujarat government is doing, that is called a state government. Now answer the following question, that is a textual question answers in your textbook page number 16. They have a answer the following questions are there. We will start off that one. Okay, answer the following question. First one, page number 16, textual question answers are there. Why is it necessary to have a government? Government क्यों necessary है? That is answer the following question. Okay बेटा, first one, every nation required the government to take different decisions and also to carry out a different work. हर जगह गवर्नमेंट हमें ज़रूरी है because they are taking the different decisions for our country, for the different works. Lots of proposal works are there in our in every country, so the different works are be carrying by the government of people in every nation. Okay, in if you want to, it's a, if you writing it's a huge, so you will be writing to the point wise also. This one is a number 1 point. Okay, 1 point, and the number 1 was completed here. Okay, and start writing number 2. This is a number 2 point. Okay, if you are writing in the number wise, it is easy for learning you. Okay, in every nation the government is required to make law according to the constitution and to make amendment in them. Okay, government is required whatever the constitution, हमारे संविधान के अकॉर्डिंग क्या क्या मैनेजमेंट करना है, क्या रिक्वायर्ड है पीपल्स के लिए, क्या होना चाहिए नेशन के लिए, दे विल बी अ डूइंग ऑफ दिस. थर्ड वन, the government is required to implement the law equally to all the peoples. All the peoples are equal in our country, so they have to be a maintain equal law. कानून सभी के लिए, they have to be a equal. Okay, fourth point, the democracy, the government is necessary to run administrations according to wishes of the people. Our country is a democracy country. Okay, so government is too much necessary. They run administration, जो हमारा जो work है वो इस तरह से smoothly they have to be going on कि पीपल्स की विशेज़ दे हैव टू बी, पीपल की विशेज़ पे पूरी तरह से गवर्नमेंट उतर सके. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वर्क इस तरह से होना चाहिए. ओके, only the government does public welfare work. Every time when the government doing taking any decision for the country, that is for doing only for the people, welfare of the peoples की भलाई के लिए हर काम होना चाहिए. Thus the maintain peace and law and order to be enable the country development. उसी ये सब ध्यान में रखते हुए अगर काम होगा तो ही हमारी कंट्री में एक मेंटेन रहेगा पीस और लॉ. पीस, शांति, लॉ मीन्स कानून, हर तरीके से हमारे देश में बराबर से ऑर्डर बाई ऑर्डर चलेगा और कंट्री का डेवलप होगा. The government is required necessary. That is the main reason we want to require the government, because this all proposed done by the government. Now, question 2. What are the function of the governments? Government के functions क्या है, क्या क्या काम है, step by step. There is a 12 points are there, but approximately you will be learn 8 points. Okay, approximately, because you know which work are done in our country by the government. Okay, functions are the government. Number one, the function of the government are maintained below. First one, it forms law from the constitution and the employment term. Okay. Second one, at a large in running administration according to wishes of public and peoples. Third one, it carries out the several functions of the public welfare. Fourth one, it revolves social and economically problem from the issues. Fifth one, it tries to improve the economic condition of the country and eliminate unemployment and the poverty of the people. It also functions relating to the education and the health. The government have to try to every time improve economic condition. Our country condition, economically condition will be improve, and unemployment will be जो नौकरी है जो नहीं मिलती है वो सब चीज़ें कम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. और पॉवर्टी पीपल मीन्स गरीब लोगों की ये सब चीज़ों के लिए दे हैव टू बी गिवन द एजुकेशन एंड health management, they will be done by the government. Sixth one, it distribute food grains and the other commodities to ration shops. Those who are the poor peoples, by government given the ration, sasta ration, provide food grains. Okay. If the any disaster also come, that is a responsibility of the government. First of the state government have a responsibility, then the nation government also having this responsibilities are there. Seventh one, it helped to maintain education institution and the hospital financially. Educations institution and the hospitals also they given the financially help of by the government given the help. Okay. Eighth one, it helps the affected people in the natural disaster. I was told if the natural disaster will be there, it's a government responsibility. They given the help of their peoples. If the flood are come, if the earthquake is come, any disaster, now the pandemic also there, so that is a disaster will be a come, the government should be taken the affected the peoples, those who are affected the people of this natural disaster, the government will be provide everything to them. Okay. Ninth one, it arrange for the judiciary code. I was told the judiciary code also be by the government. If we have any problem, we will be because we are living in the democracy country, so we will be taken the our opinion if we want to need a justice. 10th one, it manage service like a transport, post, railway, etc. That is a transports, post, railway, that is under of the government, that is that facilities will be given government to the peoples. 11th one, it tries to maintain peaceful relation with the foreigner countries. It's a government responsibility, which are our neighbor country. They will be taken the good relations peacefully, and another country also, because we have to touch each and other countries by the export and import. So we want to develop our country, we want to be making the peaceful relation with the. Okay, 12th point. The government functions to maintain peace under law and order. And C, दैट द नेशन मेक प्रोग्रेस। गवर्नमेंट का फंक्शन है कि वो पीस है, शांति बनी हुई है कि नहीं, हर चीज़ को मेंटेन करना है, लोगों को ऑर्डर्स को जो फॉलो पीपल्स को दिया जा रहा है, दे विल बी अ फॉलो और नॉट विद द ऑर्डर्स। ओके, एवरी बिकॉज दैट इज़ अ प्रोग्रेस फॉर आवर नेशन, ये हमारे नेशन की प्रोग्रेस है, इससे हमारे नेशन का प्रोग्रेस बढ़ेगा। ओके, सो ये सब चीज़ें शुड बी अंडर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, दिस फंक्शंस आर अंडर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, what will you do if the law are not properly implemented and the justice is डन टू यू, इनजस्टिस। ओके, क्या अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके साथ में कोई चीज़ में इनजस्टिस हुई है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? बिकॉज वी आर लिविंग इन अ डेमोक्रेसी कंट्री, वी विल बी अ राइट्स फॉर आवर वॉइस विल बी अ इरेज। ओके, सो आंसर, इफ द लॉ मेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट आर नॉट एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉपरली इट and I am not justifies, is I am not justifies, I will raise my voice against it, मैं हमारी आवाज़ उसके खिलाफ उठा सकते हैं हम, बराबर। इट विल बी अ फाइल अ पिटिशन अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट इन द हाई कोर्ट, वी विल बी अगेंस्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो पिटिशन इन द हाई कोर्ट। ओके, द कोर्ट कैन ऑर्डर द गवर्नमेंट टू टेक द proper actions to put law into the practiced। Okay, fourth one, why is it not possible to administrate the whole of the India from one place? अगर सिर्फ बेटा दिल्ली से ही चलाया गया पूरा काम, तो हर स्टेट में फैसिलिटीज़ पहुँचे, हर स्टेट्स का प्रॉब्लम फिनिश हो जाए, हर स्टेट में पीस एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन रहे, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। सो डैट इज़ हैव टू बी अ not in the from administration in the whole India is not taken from the one place। Okay, in every state will be a government will be a taken the these parts. Now this from this answer you will be a easily recognized. In India is a large country, there is a 29 states. Now the 30 state will be there because Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh will be a difference, and the 7 union territories it. Okay, इफ़ देर इज़ अ सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, अगर एक ही जगह पे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होगा तो क्या होगा? मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स कैन अक्योर एंड द पीपल विल हैव टू फेस मैनी हार्डशिप्स, therefore it is not possible to administration the whole of India from one place। यही वजह है कि पूरे इंडिया में एक प्लेस से काम नहीं हो सकता है, बिकॉज वी आर अ large our country is a large country, our country is vast, so that's why। That is the last question, explain the structure of the state government। That structure is made in the your textbook also, page number 16, if you are possibility, if you want to write from there you will be right। Okay, but the steps are also right here, so it is more good for you to study from this answer। Okay, explain the structure of the state government। The structure of the state government is follows: first, state governments be held to governor have a three parts: legislative body, executive body and judiciary। Now, legislative assembly have a two parts: legislatively assembly, legislatively council, and governor executive body is a chief minister and the council minister will be held। Okay, judicially will be a part of two for high court and district and taluka court। Judicially system under in the judicially system under high court will come, and high court under will become a just district and तालुका कोर्ट और डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट हाई कोर्ट के अंडर में रहेगी। ओके बेटा, नाउ दिस स्टेप विल बी there are the three bodies of the state government: the legislative body, the executive body and the judiciary। every state in the India has a legislative assembly, and every state 29 जो लिखा हुआ है सभी स्टेट में है legislative assembly। okay, it is made up of one or two houses। its lower house is called a legislatively assembly and the upper house is called a legislatively council। The state constitutive committee has a governor, chief minister, and the council minister. There is a one high court in every state. There are some other courts under the authority of the high court. They included district court and the taluka court also. So beta our chapter will was completed, exercise also completed. You will be complete in your book, and beta have to start the study for easy for you whenever the exam will be coming. Okay beta, step by step, one by one lesson, when you are free you will be a learn also. Goodbye. Have a nice day.